Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums, and today I'm bringing geography MCQs, and it's been a while you have had your geography MCQs and environmental MCQs. Sorry for that. So let us now start, and please guys be consistent with your studies. So first question, very easy one. Which of the following deserts is a cold desert? Right? Your options are Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Gobi Desert, and Atacama Desert. So it's a very easy one. There are almost two criterias about a desert. So I think you should be knowing them, and then with that you will be able to answer this, right? So it's a common knowledge. The Gobi Desert is a cold desert, right? So desert need not be only hot, right? The basic characteristics of a desert has to be low precipitation, which is there in the Gobi Desert, and vegetation which is sparse. Now moving ahead, question number 2 MCQ. What is the name for the process by which a river erodes the landscape and deepens its valley over time? Right? With the basic reading of NCERT, I think you should be able to answer this question. Options are A abrasion, B aggradation, C oxboification, D deposition. Okay, so I think you guys have seen the now let's see. So the answer is A. So abrasion is the mechanical wearing, away of the rock and soil because of the action of the river. Okay, so water leads to this, leads to the deepening of its valley. Now the third MCQ, very easy question, right? So the Great Barrier Reef is primarily located in water bodies bordering which country? And what is the adjacent major water body? Here the options are given. You have to only identify it. So option A is Indonesia Coral Sea, B Australia Tasman Sea, C Brazil South Atlantic Ocean, D Mexico Gulf of California. Right? So now let us see the answer. This must be very easy one. Okay. So now the answer is B. Okay, with Barrier Reef, always remember it is Australia, and UPSC is very much interested in coral reefs, so you should be thorough with all the such bodies. So the Great Barrier Reef is primarily situated in waters adjacent to Australia, and this borders Tasman Sea to the east. Fourth MCQ, the BRI initiative, that is Belt and Road Initiative, is a global infrastructure development strategy, right? And it is led by China. And to understand its geographic scope, we have to it is crucial to identify its key boundaries. Which of the following countries or regions can be considered part of the geographic boundaries of the BRI, and as it encompasses both overland and maritime routes? So let's identify that. Your options are A China, Russia, Western Europe, B China, the Middle East, South Asia, C China, Australia, South America, D China, India, and North Africa. Okay guys, so I think you would have you would have guessed your answer. Now let us see the answer. So answer is B. The geographic boundaries of BRI encompasses a very vast region, right? It extends from China, obviously, because it is led by China. So it extends from China to the Middle East and Southeast Asia. And there are, it is, with various infrastructure projects and economic linkages across these areas. Okay, and India does not support this. You should be knowing that. Now the final MCQ, the Himalayan arc is a complex geological feature. It is formed by convergent tectonics. It extends across several countries and borders multiple significant water bodies. So, and which of the following correctly identifies the countries through which the Himalayan arc passes and the major water bodies it borders, right? So basically the geography of Himalayan arc is asked, and you should be knowing that, right? Options are India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bay of Bengal as water body, B India, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Arabian Sea as water body, C Nepal, Tibet occupied by China, Myanmar, Indian Ocean, D Tibet, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and the water body is South China Sea. Let us now see the answer guys. So answer is A. The Himalayan arc extends from India, Nepal and Bhutan bordering the Bay of Bengal to the south, and it's a result of the collision between the Indian plate and the European plates. And this, collision is giving rise to the Himalayan mountain range and its associated features, and the folds are still, are still forming. So it is one of the youngest mountains. Right, so with this, today we have completed 5 MCQs. Hope you guys are studying well and being consistent. So let's meet in the next one. Thank you for the time.